እሺ ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ? ዛሬ ይዘንላችሁ የመጣ ነው ዩኒት 2 አኒማልስ ባዮሎጂ የ11ኛ ክፍል የባዮሎጂ ትምህርት ምዕራፍ 2 አኒማልስ ነው የሚለው። አኒማልስ ያው እንስሳት ለማለት ነው። ስለነሱ እንዴት ባህሪያቸው ምን ይመስላል፣ እንዴት ይራባሉ፣ ምን አይነት ጥቅም አላቸው፣ ጉዳታቸውስ፣ ብቻ ስለ ሁሉም ስለ ቢሄቨራቸው ስለ ሁሉም ነገር እናያለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ 2.1 characteristics of animals ይላል ማለት ነው። So what are the characteristics of animals? Do you remember from your grade 10 in unit 1 you see about it? I think that so animals are living organisms which are eukaryotic, heterotrophic, they are movable and they can reproduce. They have different organ systems like circulation, reproduction, nervous system, muscular system, and another respiration and another characteristics they have. So we will see about them. Characteristics of animals, we say this, so I will pass it. So animals broadly divided into two, vertebrates and invertebrates, depending on the having or don't having of the backbone. So animals with a backbone are said to be vertebrates, and animals without the backbone are said to be invertebrates. Also they have different in another example. Vertebrates are they have the rigid skeletal cover or exoskeleton. Their skeleton is